Right now we are at the Capterra website. So all you have to do now is to go to the top right corner where you see the profile image. So you click the profile image and it will take you to where you can sign up or log in if you have an account before. So you can sign up with your LinkedIn, with Google, or with your email. So I already have an account. So what I'll do is just log in to my account. So log in with me. So right now we are inside my own account. So what you have to do now to write a review, you'll be asked to take a short quiz. So you see, find the perfect software for you. Take this short quiz to get a list of software perfect for your business need. So all you have to do is click start the quiz and take the quiz. So after taking the quiz, so it will help them to select software that you'll be enabled to review. So after doing that, what you have to do is go to write a review. So click on write a review. It will take you to another tab, which is review.capterra.com. So while you are on the review page, so you find the software that you are familiar with, maybe the one you choose while taking the quiz, or anyone you know you're familiar with. So here I will choose on Fiverr. So this is the Fiverr page for me to review. So I'll put my name as it is on the Capterra website. My job title is the CEO, organization name, marks. You fill in everything, select industry, architecture, company size 2 to 10. How long have you been using this software? You can choose 6 to 12 months. So in what capacity do you use Fiverr? So it will bring an option for you. I'll choose customer communication management. How frequently do you use this web software? Daily. What is your role in using this software? I'm a user. I'm an administrator. So you click on next. So here you choose the quality. It's the rating page. So overall quality of Fiverr, ease of use. You can just choose everything simultaneously, so just choose anything, So how does the pricing for Fiverr compare to similar products? Inexpensive. How likely are you to recommend Fiverr to a friend? Okay, I'll choose 8 here. So you choose next. So this is where the work is. This is where you write everything you know about Fiverr or any software you are reviewing. So the pros and the cons. The pros will be the advantages or advantages, let's say, and the cons will be the disadvantages. So overall experience, you write it here. It is optional though. So did you switch from another product to Fiverr or to any other software you are reviewing? You can choose yes or no. If it is yes, you will put in the software here. Why did you choose Fiverr over these alternative products? It's optional though. Did you integrate any other product with Fiverr? No or yes, you can choose. So after doing all this, you just tick this and click on submit. Then you wait for a few weeks for your review to be checked. So while it's being checked, when it's being checked, you will be paid in gift card to your email, to the email you register with. As you can see, this is the submission of the Fiverr that I reviewed. So it is under processing. So when this is reviewed finish, I'll be paid in gift card. As you can see, if your response due to an incentive offer from us, know that only eligible and published review will be sent a gift card. So if your review is published, so you'll be sent a gift card. Thanks for watching.